before my breakfast, I usually used to go round like a hotel in New Delhi or some other places. There's some Indian police always there. So then I say hello, and then, uh, one occasion in Delhi, I practiced that after I got up and washed these things. Then I went from my room and some Indian police there. Then I asked, what do you think my age? Then my age already 80 years, over 80 years. So then the police, express, oh, your age looks like 70s or 60s, 70s. Then I told my age over 80 years. Then I show my teeth, very good teeth. Then I show my lips, red lips. Then I show them. Everybody laugh. I always think we are same. No differences. That really brings me, wherever I go, I always see all same human brothers, sisters. And whenever this is some sort of, occasion, teasing each other. So I have a lot of friends. Thank you.